Do you feel a deep connection to tarot cards, tarot readings, but you're not sure how to turn that gift into something more, like learning deeper, or maybe even a professional career or a side hustle? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'm going to show you how you can deepen your tarot reading practice and turn it into a professional career. Hi, my name is Michelle Fondon. I've been a professional tarot reader for over 9 years, and I've read for over 1,000 clients worldwide. But I didn't start out as a professional tarot reader. I started out with a deep curiosity for learning tarot and the tarot cards and their meanings. But with consistent practice and taking a professional course myself, eventually I learned how to read tarot professionally, and I've never turned back. For me, my tarot reading practice really supports my spiritual practices, connecting with my angels and guides, and reading intuitively for myself and others, and I can teach you to do the same. Here's the truth. There's a lot of talented tarot readers out there, and you may have seen them on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, but most of them keep it as a hobby. Why? Because they don't know how to start reading for others professionally. Maybe they don't have the self-confidence. They don't think that they can access their intuition at will. And they might feel really uncomfortable charging in their readings for others. Or maybe they don't really believe that charging for tarot, reading for others, aligns with their spiritual business. That's where my course, Read Tarot Like a Pro, comes in. I created Read Tarot Like a Pro to take you from a beginner tarot reader to reading professionally for others and setting up your business as a professional tarot reader. In this course, you'll learn the deep symbolism behind each card, how to structure powerful readings that truly help your clients, how to price your services, and how to run your tarot business with confidence and authenticity. It's everything I wish I had when I was starting out. Now, you have 2 ways to take the next step. First, you can join my free Zoom webinar that's happening on June 12th of 2025 at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Click on the link to join. It is totally free. I'm going to give you some common setbacks for new tarot readers and how to overcome those setbacks. This is a great interactive way, and I'll even do some free tarot readings, 1 and 2 card pulls for the participants. But it's a great way for you to dip your toes in and see if Read Tarot Like a Pro is the right course for you. Now, the second way, if you're ready now, you can go straight to my website and enroll in Read Tarot Like a Pro. If you're viewing this before June 26th of 2025, the course starts on June 26th. After that date, it will be offered on demand and you can start at any time. Either way, your journey to becoming a professional tarot reader starts here. You might be wondering, why would I trust you to lead me into becoming a professional tarot reader? I've been in the spiritual business since 2008. I've coached thousands of students worldwide. I am the author of 12 published books. I have a thriving YouTube channel at Michelle Fondon Author, and I even wrote for Deepak Chopra's lifestyle blog. I've trained with the top spiritual teachers to learn how to read tarot, and I've helped hundreds of students step into their own intuitive power through my one-on-one readings with others. This course is the culmination of everything I've learned over the years. So are you ready to stop doubting yourself and read tarot with clarity, confidence, and purpose? tap the link below to register for the webinar on June 12th, 2025, or enroll in the class. You're not just learning tarot and deepening your practice, you are stepping into your soul's calling. And think of all the people that you can help through your tarot readings. I can't wait to be your guide, and I'm sure I'll see you soon.